Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best AM/FM radios on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is ByronStatics Portable AM or FM, Best Vintage. If you're looking for a portable AM or FM radio with a touch of nostalgia included, the ByronStatics radio could be the product for you. This easy-to-use personal AM or FM radio is ideal for any room of the house, with a convenient handle for portability. There's also battery operation, so you don't have to plug into the outlet unless you want to. The ByronStatics AM or FM radio comes with easy-to-use tuning knobs, so you can browse through different receptions without having to figure out any smartphone apps or buttons. There's a headphone jack for private listening, and a telescopic antenna for improving signal quality. Perhaps the most appealing part of this ByronStatics radio is its unique appearance. A compelling vintage design ensures you can spruce up the aesthetic of any room in a matter of seconds. Combined with exceptional ease of use, this radio could make a fantastic gift for someone in your life with a love of radio who doesn't want too many bells and whistles. Pros: beautiful vintage design, easy-to-use tuning knobs, decent sound quality without static, suitable for AC or battery power, adjustable antenna. Cons: plastic components can chip over time. No advanced features. Number 2. Second best pick is Victrola Retro Wood AM or FM radio, Best Retro. An attractive option for those in search of an eye-catching AM or FM radio, the Victrola Retro Wood system combines practicality and style. This AM or FM radio tuner is a delight to look at, with a stunning wooden surround to help improve audio resonance, and a vintage-style grille to bring character to any home. The timeless AM or FM radio with Bluetooth offers crisp sound reproduction and wide-range connectivity for all kinds of music playback. You can easily browse through AM or FM stations with a knob which doubles up as a tuner, volume control, and power button. There's also the option to adjust bass and treble to customize your listening experience too. This radio is sure to make the right impact anywhere in your home. A beautiful radio with a solid sound quality, this little device is a great choice for all kinds of homes. Finding stations can be a little tricky if you don't have the best signal to begin with. There's also no extendable antenna, but you can connect to Bluetooth for more audio options. Pros: attractive retro design, Bluetooth connectivity for music streaming, AM or FM radio tuning with easy controls, decent sound quality with good acoustics, durable design. Cons: a little small for some users. No extendable antenna. Number 3. Third best pick is Vondior Portable AM or FM radio, Best for NOAA. If you're looking for the smallest AM or FM radio to take with you on outdoor adventures, Vondior could have the perfect solution. This personal AM or FM radio is designed to deliver excellent audio in any situation. The portable device is powered by 2 AA batteries and has enough energy to operate for days at a time before you need to replace the power. With excellent reception, you'll be able to find the AM and FM stations you want to listen to, even when you're not in the best environment. This handheld radio also comes with NOAA crystal clear weather broadcasts, for peace of mind in emergency situations. If you want a radio to similarly prepare you for emergency situations and give you AM or FM channel access, the Vondior Pocket Radio could be the perfect choice. This compact and durable device comes with all the features you need to listen to the channels you love, as well as emergency NOAA channel connections, and is wonderfully easy to use too. Pros: compact and portable for travel, excellent battery power, good durability for all situations, emergency NOAA weather reporting, extendable antenna. Cons: needs the antenna constantly extending for the best reception. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Sangean PRD5BK Portable, best with alarm function. Created by popular audio company, Sangean, the PRD5BK radio is a lightweight and appealing product for radio fans. This high-performance radio comes with a 200mm ferrite AM bar for antenna reception boosting. You can set up to 5 preset stations for your AM and FM channels and access a full PLL synthesizer tuning system for better reception and stereo audio. As a battery-powered AM or FM radio, the Sangean ensures you can take your music with you wherever you go. The backlit screen includes all the information you need to know about the channels you're browsing, and you get a battery power indicator too. Tuning is quick and simple with a digital system, and you always get amazing audio performance. Features include 10 station presets, 5 AM or 5 FM. Easy-to-read LCD display. Digital tuning system. Excellent stereo audio performance. Station auto-seeking. Stereo or mono switch. Station automatic seeking. 200mm AM antenna bar. Alarm by radio or HWS. As the ultimate AM or FM radio companion, the battery-powered Sangean radio comes with everything you need to enjoy your favorite audio. You can even use this device as an alarm system thanks to an easy-to-read LCD display with backlight. There's also a station auto-seeking service to help you find the channels you want. Pros. Convenient digital tuning system. Alarm by radio or HWS. 200mm ferrite AM antenna bar. Up to 10 presets in total. Excellent audio performance. Cons. Not the best appearance. Difficult to swap batteries. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Tivoli AM or FM radio, best home radio. Finally, if you want a simple, effective and attractive AM or FM radio to keep in your home, the Tivoli AM or FM radio is an excellent choice. This high-performance radio comes with a simple but appealing design in a range of colors to suit your home. There's a set of easy-to-use controls, including knobs for adjusting your frequency, your volume, and more. The high-performance frequency adjustment knob ensures you can avoid as much noise as possible. There's also a 3-inch long throw driver to ensure excellent tonal balance and fantastic bass response when you're listening to your favorite music. For extra audio options, Bluetooth controls ensures you can stream high-quality audio from your preferred source. Features include simple attractive design in a range of colors. Handmade wood cabinet for acoustics. Frequency hopping spreads the spectrum. 3-inch throw driver. Amber tuning LED. Easy-to-use controls. Bluetooth streaming. High-performance sound. Designed to sound and look incredible, this Tivoli AM or FM radio is sure to deliver the kind of fantastic experience you're looking for each morning. Whether sitting in your kitchen, living room, or bedroom, the wooden surround offers excellent acoustics, while the internal technology promises fantastic clarity. Pros. Simple and accurate tuning. Highly accurate sound reproduction. Wooden housing for brilliant acoustics. Built-in Bluetooth. Attractive design. Cons. No screen or clock function. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.